Hi everyone, we will start our weekly analysis and we will start from EURUSD. It's 1 hour chart and as you remember we marked this zone last time as buyer's activity zone and it worked, and I will explain you how I do find my signals. And already you can see two active zones right now. This is first point, this is second point where we can put a lot of our attention for price behavior here and here. First zone, I think it's not very important because price buyers are too strong, and second zone is more important for me now for trade, for finding my trading signals. Okay. So I will show you a test platform. It's the same 1 hour chart, but it's Canadian dollar right now. We'll check euro futures. It's not spot market, it's futures. Okay, and you can see a little bit difference why I do use futures and platform for such analysis. Can you see fake here? Yes, price touched the level. MetaTrader platform, can you see it here? I will do it like this. Yes, our level. And fakey, no fakey. Yes, and you can be confused if you don't use some ATAS platform or another platform with futures. So I don't trust spot market or my broker too much. I'm always checking price at ATAS platform. Okay, so why do I use volumes? When price firstly goes to this zone, I can see price reaction from buyers, strong movement from this point. Yes, so that's why we need zones. In these zones we must take a look how price behaves, and we see some bullish activity. Yes, okay, it's not our signal yet. Why? Because we have our level here. Yes, okay, price moves here again, and we're thinking about, we have two scenarios. Yes, breakdown, return to the level, sell signal appears, we are going to sell. So first scenario, second scenario, price goes to this level, shows us some buyers activity like here, and we enter buy in this zone. So you need to ask yourself in this zone, is there some buyers activity or not? And we see, let's take a bigger look. We see big volume here in this candle. Okay, maybe big volume is from sellers, so price must react at big volume and go down. No going down, no red candles, no sellers activity. So we understand that, okay, some accumulation from buyers happens here, happened already, yes? And next volume is big and it's from buyers. So of course it's our signal, and we can enter here or think a little bit 1-2 hours and enter here. Anyway, we must use such a notification from volumes and enter here. Of course we put our stop loss lower than this low. Some pips, maybe 10 pips, 5-10 pips is enough for stop loss. So stop loss is here. It's how wires work here. And after this, at Friday, Janet Yellen's speech was, so we see price reaction after. I do not trade news. I trade only price behavior. For me, it doesn't matter Janet Yellen or Draghi or Trump even. I just trade the price. So we have two levels, two zones for our attention, this and this. Now we can go to pound. For pound, we had this zone. Firstly, at Monday, we saw reaction from buyers, pin bar and good behavior. But when you are trading volumes and you're trading this not first day, you can notice that it's not normal behavior. Let's take a look inside volumes. We will take pound 1 hour chart again, and this was our pin bar. Okay, so Monday, it's our zone and level, and we see pin bar, big volume here, positive delta. It seems like it's enough, and we see footprint chart here. Footprint chart, we can see a lot of buyers activity right here, yes, and it's green inside candle. It's enough for buy here. And after this buy, we are waiting, price goes up, and we think, oh my god, yes, finally I will take my profit here in this zone and I will be rich, yes. But after this, price taps going down, and this is not normal behavior. After this big volume, big candle, if it was buyer, it's from VSA analysis, if big candle appears with big volume, price should go or should react somehow, yes, but not like this way. It's not buyer's reaction. It's bad for buying, very bad. So we can go out, or if we are still like in pink glasses, you know, and we still think about, oh my god, my take profit is here, I will hold my position, so we will maybe take 0 or stop loss here. So do not do not expect from price some overreaction. Do not expect too much, okay? And next day we can see it's still our zone, and we can see breakdown. So how we will trade this breakdown? Let's put a line here, some level. When breakdown happens, we need to wait till price go again to this level, touch this, and if price shows us no buyer's reaction, no big buy candles here, no strong pin bars here, so we will trade with sellers. Breakdown going under this level again, and our enter must be in this point. Only this way I am trading these zones. So first way, some buy signal appears and I am trading buy with volumes, of course, with all confirmation. If no buy signals appears and I see breakdown, I will trade another way, another scenario, sell signal. Okay, two ways of trading here. And volume for me is just another confirmation. I did not see very well a good buy here at Friday, so I did not enter here. And for me, pound now is just like trend trading. So for me, this first momentum is maybe trend, and if I will see price behavior like this, small candles, small reaction from sellers, I will try to find the buy signal again and go with buyers. So again, I need volumes here. And Canadian dollar. Now I'm in short position at USDCAD. I opened it here, and now for me it is a zone. Maybe price will test this zone again, we will see, but now I'm in short position, and of course we will see how it will work. I do not expect from price too much right now. I will just take a look. And there are no very interesting zones right now. If price will go down, so for me the aim will be somewhere here, first aim. Okay. Also, I will take a look at this level and at this level if some buyers are still active here. Okay, also I wanted to explain you one thing. Stop volume. I do not remember did I explain this already or not? How stop volume looks like. Let's go to Canadian dollar. It's futures, so it's like mirror. It's the price looks opposite here, but it's the same candles. And I entered here at futures. It is a short position. In spot market, it is buy position here. Okay, so I entered here. Why? I saw this very big candle and very big volume here, and I understood that if this volume is from buyers, so it must be some buyers reaction here. In opposite, I can see shadow here, so some pressure from sellers. And when I take a look at footprint chart, I can see all pressure here. So no activity inside candle, no buyers here. All pressure was at this point. For me, it's like confirmation. So I entered at when this candle closed, I entered my position. Okay, this is Canadian. And my favorite, crude oil. Crude oil, it's 1 hour chart again. It was our zone. We formed it here, and here was one buy, not mine, or one of my students took a buy signal here. I took the opposite, sell signal, but anyway, now we have this. Still have this zone active. Why? I will explain you with volume chart. Let's go to crude oil futures, and I will explain you with volume chart why this zone is still active for me. Firstly, we can see this pin bar, very good volume, positive delta, but there was strong sellers, strong price movement down. And if this pin bar is legitimate, we must see some buy candle here. So green candle must appear. 1 hour next, 2 hours next, no buy signal appears, no buy pressure. Okay, so this pin bar is still no legitimate, it's not working anymore. We must go out from our position. But this zone worked, despite this pin bar didn't. And for me now, I must take a look. Was it counter trend buy, which can give me a lot of profit or not? And I think that it is weak, because only this pin bar was active in the zone and no more buyers activity. So I expect right now some price movement up and then sell signal. For me, it's first scenario, and I will take a look at this zone for some sell which can appear here in this zone. Yes, If price will go to this zone again, I will take a look about buyers. Are they still here or not? Or sellers will make a breakdown here and I will trade with sellers. So two ways again. And this is my very important zone. If price will go here like next week or next month, for me it's very important and I will pay a lot of attention here and try to sell here. Sell because you can see that price do not like this zone. Buyers do not like this zone very much right now. Okay, so for oil, 3 zones, 1, 2, 3, 3 active zones for finding signals. And gold is the last for today. This zone was from last video and I took a buy signal here and we will see how it goes, how it will go. The two zones are now important for me here. This zone is still important. If price will behave like this, I will try to take a buy signal here, or if price will behave like this, I will try to take a sell here. But now for me only two zones are important, this and this. Maybe it's not very good for intraday trading, but for long-term positions it's very good. So I will wait. Not hurry, just wait. And if you are already in buy like me, or some buy will appear here, try to hold position because it costs it. Price can go up here and give you a lot of profit. So it's a little bit risky, yes, but we have stop loss like 2 or 5% here, depends of your trading. And if you will have this stop loss, okay, that's just a normal risk. But if price will go up, you will have good reward. Yeah. Okay. For today, I think it's enough. If you have some questions about volumes or price action, you can ask me in Skype, and also you can ask me to make some video about stop volume or how to trade pin bars, because I'm trading this a lot of time and I can give you some advice. So thanks you a lot for your attention and see you next video.